That's what fits me real well. So let's go ahead and cover some sounds. We're going to go straight through the sounds. Again, no explanation, no details about any of it, just the sounds. The first one we're going to talk about, or the sound that I'm going to produce, is what's called the nervous grunt or popping grunt. And this is what this sound sounds like. This is a mature bull, even a 5-6 point bull, which I'm going to consider a mature bull at this time, not a spike. This is what his sound would sound like. Again, this is the nervous grunt or popping grunt. At times you'll hear him sound just like that. Now here's what more of a spike one would sound like. You can see the immatureness behind it. The next sound we're going to go to is pants and huffs. This is what these would sound like. The next one we're going to go to is called a spike squeal. Very young bull, can be a 2-3 point bull, spike, whatever, but a very immature sound. A couple variations of it. Elk aren't robots, they make different sounds, even though they all mean the same thing. In this case, the spike squeal. Next sound we're going to do is we're going to do chuckles. Again, not grunts, but chuckles. Now I'll change reeds. We're going to do chuckles again. You can see you'll get different tones depending on the reed. As is very noticeable there. Now we're going to do some grunts. Those are chuckles, a little more rapid. These are grunts. The next sound I'm going to do is one that's called popping. Kind of when a bull's tending his cow. It sounds like this. Next sound is called a short bugle with some grunts on the end. Next sound is a sound that a bull will use when he's trying to call cows to him. Again, there can be different variations of this sound. And so I'll give you a couple different ones, but basically they mean the same thing. And this is what a bull will do when he's trying to call cows to him. You'll see on videos, bulls will make these sounds as they're coming into a cow call many times. Or they just called with a cow call, and you'll hear that. Okay, the next one is the lip ball scream. When somebody talks about a lip ball scream, this is what it sounds like. That's more of a big bull sound, obviously. The next thing we're going to talk about are the 3 levels of the threat. We're going to talk about but do the sound of the first level. This is where there's a lot of misconception. I'm going to do the first level, second level, third level. Pretty basic. This is what would happen if someone referred to as level 1 of the threat. Again. Okay, now we'll take it up a notch. If we needed to do kind of a level 2 of the threat, a little more intense. Of course, you can build on that. Level 3 of the threat, a little more extreme. Cow's being stolen, she doesn't want to go. She's resisting. And of course you can build on that with more bull squeals. You don't have to give full-fledged bugles. But anyway, this would give you an idea of level 1, level 2, level 3. More importantly, you must know when to use these sounds.